Hi, I'm Ron Storey. I'd like to welcome you to our company. In the following video, we take you through various stages of classic car and truck rust rebuilding and metal fabrication. Remember that most quality auto restoration projects begin with rebuilding the platform or foundation of the car. That's where we come in. With our years of experience and extensive metalworking tools, we can bring almost any car or truck back to life. Give us a call or stop down and we would be more than happy to help you take that first step to get your classic car or truck on its way. At Greenville Auto Welding, we've performed excellent automotive welding and metal fabrication services since 1973. That's over 30 years. At Greenville, it is our pledge to offer a high-quality job at a competitive price. Our main goal is complete customer satisfaction, and rest assured, all of our work is completely guaranteed. At Greenville Auto Welding, we have the metal fabricating equipment to do the job. We can recreate just about any panel. Our shearing, bending, notching, and shaping tools allow us to fabricate panels that are unavailable from an aftermarket supplier. We stock a complete line of sheet metal, bar, flat, and round stock for your convenience. We can fabricate frame rails, cab mounts, and body mounts, along with rocker panels and floor sections. Remember, if we can't buy it, we can make it. This 1965 Ford Mustang convertible looks pretty good from the outside, but underneath the paint there's a lot of rust and Bondo. Here, Rick is using an air chisel to remove the rear quarters. Bondo on this car is almost an inch thick in some places. You'd be surprised what we've seen under Bondo. Over the years we've seen license plates, stop signs, and even window screen used as a foundation for the plastic. In this case, metal strips and pop rivets were used as a foundation for the Bondo. I'm sure the repair lasted a while, but this is hardly the rust rebuilding job you want on a classic car. After the old rear quarter panels are removed, we'll be able to assess any hidden rust damage. Rick is installing the inner wheelhouse. Notice how the top of the inner wheelhouse is cut. This will accommodate the convertible top when it is in the down position. It's now time to install the outer wheelhouse. The outer wheelhouse is trial fitted prior to a permanent installation. This ensures a good fit with the rear quarter skin. The inner wheelhouse, outer wheelhouse, and rear quarter panels are now fitted into place. They will be adjusted before the final finishing. After the welding is finished, the rear quarters are ground and polished. Then they are put into primer sealer. After this, the car will go to a body shop for final painting and finishing. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is in pretty tough shape and requires a floor job. The entire body is brought back to factory specifications and braced before any work begins. At this point, the original rusted floor pans are removed. On this project, the car will require a new inner and outer rocker panels. Door opening braces ensure that we retain the factory specifications. The inner rocker is trial fitted into place. A new long floor panel and inner rocker are installed on the passenger side of the car. The rear torque box section is critical in retaining the strength of this convertible. A big part of the project is removing the rusted material. The inner rocker panel beam is installed on the driver's side. The left lower cowl panel was in need of repair. A great deal of attention is given to detailing the bottom of the car. At this point, all of the floor panels are welded solid and ground before the seat bases are installed. The floors are prepared for primer sealer. Three coats of primer sealer are applied to prevent rust. The floors are now ready to be top coated with classic car rust proofing or automotive paint. The completed floor job looks great. This job will give years of good service for many years to come. The front fenders on this car are quite rusted and need to be rebuilt. This 1955 Ford Country Squire wagon was once a top-of-the-line model, which included many popular options. Rust-free front fenders for this car are quite rare, so these will be rebuilt. All of the repair panels for these front fenders must be hand fabricated. This particular job requires a great deal of skill to fabricate the panels properly.